What we're going to be talking about now is how to place a match line at exactly plus 50. We're going to do it between these two stations right here. Now, there are a lot of techniques that you could use to create that match line. A lot of people would copy the station tick mark parallel 50 feet and then use the extend or modify and then use the change element attributes, change it to the correct attributes for a match line. What I'm going to show you is using AccuDraw and also the pop-up calculator to place the match line exactly where it needs to go. So I'm going to be going to my Place Smart Line tool. Need to change my active attributes to be correct for drawing a match line. So I'm going to come up to the CT tab up here. I'm going to go over to the CT lines. I'm going to, on the CT line style selector, I'm going to go to Set Select, and I'm going to be choosing line codes. Now what I see listed below, I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to locate the match line. I'm going to click the number, and I'm going to click OK. And we can see in the upper left, my attributes are set. Now I want to place this exactly halfway between this station tick mark and this station tick mark. So what I'm going to do to get the AccuDraw compass to appear at this station, I'm going to hold down the Control key and I'm going to do a tentative. That makes the AccuDraw compass appear what we call set origin. Now if I move my cursor across to the right, as you see on my AccuDraw window, which I have undocked so we can see it clearly, you see the distance is 100. I want to go half that distance. So on my keyboard, I'm going to hit the / or divide. You'll see at the AccuDraw window, the pop-up calculator appears. I want to take that value, 100, and I want to divide it by 2. So I type in 2. It shows me it's 50. To accept that, I hit Enter. I've now located that point. Now I can just move my cursor up and you can see I'm exactly 50 on the X. I'm going to move it up above my right-of-way line. I'm going to start my line, data, and then I'm going to just go straight down, make sure I'm indexing. Other side of the right-of-way line, data, reset. Now my match line is drawn. I didn't have to copy parallel, didn't have to change element attributes. It's a very quick and simple way for me to do this.